بونجور، اليوم ابيزود جديدة من بايك اند فود، ابيزود نمبر 24. باش نخرج من نوماديك بايك كالعادة، عادة لأليسا اللي تقرا فرونسي في سونتر فيل، نكملوا مع بعضنا الدورة، نجربوا بلاصة جديدة فور بايك اند فود. And the girl is here. She's reading her book. How was your class? Okay, so now Alyssa finished her school, her French school, and now we are on our way to the Medina. It's a nice restaurant. Some friends, they told us about it. So, what do you think? Yeah. Okay, do you know exactly? Vazi? Okay. Go to the Medina Qasba Street. This restaurant.
The Couscous restaurant. We're gonna go inside and have some couscous. Here's the decoration from Alyssa.
Okay, let's try couscous. So here's the menu. So this one is soup to start. Weld el Haj. The couscous. Our couscous is here. Ooh. So this is the first one. That's egg, kifta, potato, tomato, and she's surprised. You look surprised. Yeah, the couscous is coming. That's tagine. With a spoon. So what do you have in your plate?
Vegetables.
Yeah.
What is this? Onion? Celery, carrots, chickpeas, sweet potato, pepper. Not sure what this is.
This is piment. So what do you think about this one comparing to the other one at home?
It's much more moist than the one in Zamora.
Okay.
Like it has a lot of stew on it.
Okay.
Compared to the one in Zamora, it's dry and just a little bit of stew on top.
Like more sauce?
Yeah. Sauce or broth, yeah. And this one isn't spicy, which I don't. It's good. I like it.
Okay.
I like that they put a lot of vegetables. Like the other ones, some of the other ones we've had don't have chickpeas. So it's nice to have some chickpeas.
Okay, enjoy.
You said you owe me $1 dinar.
I owe you $1 dinar.
There you go.
Okay. How was the experience in the restaurant, Alyssa?
It was really nice.
Yeah.
I think about the World Travelers Association. I never heard about that before.
And especially like the social part of it,
Yeah,
not just the
that's
food.
important.
Yeah, me too. Okay, let's go and get our tea. And what?
I just met someone famous.
Really?
Yeah.
Who? So back to nomadic bike. That's the episode 24. Couscous episode.
Slema. This is episode 24 of Bikin' Food, we've done a special episode on couscous. Today, we went to Medina to have some couscous. Now we'll talk a little bit about history. First, I'm going to start off with my memory lane of couscous. Growing up in the United States, couscous is not the same as prepared the same as it is in Tunisia. When we go to Trader Joe's or any other grocery store, you get couscous and it cooks in 4 minutes. So I always thought couscous was a pre-made grain product. Turns out that is not quite right. In fact, not at all. To start off with, couscous is actually steamed granules of rolled durum wheat, semolina, served with stew on top. And actually, the traditional preparation uses semolina, water, and flour, and it's rolled. You roll it with your hand. It actually takes several days perhaps, and with a whole group of people coming together to make large batches. It's the more traditional way. Now that's a huge contrast compared to 4-minute couscous. A little bit more that I learned from the World Wide Web, so don't take my history too seriously. Semolina, garlic, onion, tomato paste, harissa, caraway, coriander, chili powder, turnips, carrot, zucchini, potatoes, chickpeas, green hot peppers, vegetable oil, salt, pepper, and lamb stew. Now, of course, you can substitute this lamb stew meat for whatever kind of meat you might have available. In fact, that leads us right into regional variation. What I read, now this could be wrong, but in Libya, it's mostly served with lamb, but can also be served with camel. Same as in here, the south of Tunisia, more so with camel. But also, one thing unique about Tunisia is that we have a lot of fish here. It's made a little bit more spicy with harissa here. Now, in Morocco, it's prepared with saffron, and there, as in other places, it can also be served as a dessert, like more sweet than salty and savory. And at the dessert format, you make with almonds, cinnamon, sugar, and then you serve it with milk, with a little bit of perfumed orange blossom water. Last but not least, Algeria tends to have more tomatoes and like legumes in it. A little bit about the history. So it's a North African dish, and actually recently in 2020, it was named one of only 16 cross-border, like cross-country, UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage. That means it has special recognition for the way, the knowledge behind how it's prepared, knowledge behind the types of pottery that needs to be created in order to prepare the couscous. The word couscous is actually Berber, which is a group of people, and it means well-formed or well-rolled. That is all the information I have for you today. I hope that you take some time and enjoy some couscous while you're in Tunis.